Throwing boat is a game that will develop your child's throwing, coordination and balance. The equipment that you need are a variety of soft balls and toys, something to mark out your boat, a variety of household containers as targets, and something as well to mark down some scores later on in the game. The setup of the game is that you mark out a boat in the centre of your playing area and place all your soft toys and balls in the centre. The containers that you've chosen for your smaller boats you lay around the outside in the sea. So Jensen and Sienna, this game is called Throwing Boat. You're currently on your yellow boat, and on your boat are some of your toys. Daddy's currently in the sea, and in the sea there are some other smaller boats. Your challenge is to throw your toys from your boat into the other boat. If you miss, you just need to go and swim and get your toy and bring it back onto the boat. Now you can throw any toy into any boat. Let Daddy quickly show you. So I might take the owl, and with two hands I'm going to try and throw it into another boat. Steady, go! When you throw the toy, I want you to use two hands. Well done, Sienna. Well done, Jensen. Sienna and Jensen, you've got these ones over here. Well done, guys. What about these boats at the front here? Two hands, Sienna. Well done, Sienna. That's great. Yes, well done. Yes, Jensen, well done. Jensen, use two hands when you throw, underneath like this. Well done. Yes, Jensen, well done. Okay, go and get all of the toys and bring them back onto the boat. So this time, Jensen and Sienna, we are going to throw, but only using one hand. Can you show me one hand? Throw them in just with one hand this time. Away you go. Well done, Sienna. Jensen, can you go? Oh, swimming and get the ball, Jensen. Well done. Jensen, well done. Bring it back. Sienna with the squirrel, one-handed, well done. Well done, Jensen, that's fantastic. The good thing about this game is it encourages a child's decision making. What toy are they going to throw into what boat? Sienna, this time, you're going to throw the ball with one hand and one leg. Sienna, do you think you could demonstrate that for Daddy? Throw it with one hand on one leg. Well done, Sienna. So you're going to do that now, okay? One leg. Straight in. Just one. Straight. Well done. Jensen, which one are you going to do? I'm going to help you balance. Go on. Go on. Yes, great throw. Well done. The good thing about this game is it's one for all the family. As many children as you want can play at the same time. Now, Jensen and Sienna, I'm going to now move some of the boats a bit further away. If they're bigger, I'm going to move them further away to make it a bit harder. If they're smaller boats, I'm going to bring them a bit closer. Well done, Sienna. That's great. Sienna, that's brilliant. Well done. Super. This time, Jensen and Sienna, I want to see if you can throw the ball over your head into one of the boats. So I might try here, over my head. Yeah, straight in. All right. Okay, away you go, guys. Can you throw one over your head and try and get it in? Oh, 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 just a bit too far. Have another go. One key tip that you can give your children is when they're throwing their toys, get them to keep their eye on their target. Now, guys, we're going to make this into a small competition. Sienna, Jensen's going to go first, and every time Jensen gets one of the balls in one of the boats, you're going to give him a point. Yes, well done, straight in. Big tick for Jensen. Yes, well done, tick for Jensen. Sienna, can you count up how many ticks Jensen's got?
I got some.
Okay, how many ticks has he got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. So can you write a number 7 for Jensen?
1.
Give Sienna a tick. So that's throwing boat, a great way to encourage your child to practice their throwing.